The question I want to ask you is, did Elon Musk just save Intel, or did he just make it relevant again in the AI era? Intel has officially joined Elon Musk's TeraFab project alongside SpaceX, XAI, and Tesla. And this is a full stack reset of how compute gets built. TeraFab is Elon's most ambitious infrastructure play as yet. The goal, 1 terawatt per year of AI compute. To put that into perspective, that's more compute capacity than what the world's current data centers and fabs produce today, and that too all combined. Intel is being pulled into the core of this very system, refactoring silicon fabrication itself, scaling advanced packaging and chip manufacturing, delivering high-performance compute at industrial scale. This is Intel stepping back into relevance, not as just a laggard, but as a foundational layer in the AI stack. Now, what does Elon have to do? Elon is doing something no one else has fully pulled off till now. 100% vertical integration of AI compute. The design, Tesla, XAI. The fabrication is Intel, TSMC, Samsung. The infrastructure for this, TeraFab. Deployment, robots, satellites, autonomous systems. So until now, the AI race has been constrained by, well, one thing, compute constraints. NVIDIA dominates GPUs, we know that. TSMC dominates fabrication. Cloud giants control distribution. What Elon is doing is, he is bypassing all three. Samsung is reportedly building dedicated fabs. TSMC is already capacity constrained. Intel now gets pulled into the most aggressive compute build-out in history. This creates something new, a parallel compute infrastructure outside traditional big tech control. And if you're ready for it, here is the front page take. I feel here is the part that nobody yet has voiced out loud. Intel's foundry business lost $10.3 billion last year. So for months, Intel has been, well, telling the market, we have the technology, we just need customers. And the entire comeback story depended on one thing, yes, a real large-scale customer validating the business. That customer just banged the door open and walked in, because this deal solves a crisis on both sides. Elon's problem? Not enough chip supply globally. TSMC and Samsung already stretched. Advanced packaging waitlist running into years. Intel's problem? Empty capacity, world-class fabs without any demand. Billions in losses with, well, no anchor client. And then there's, of course, one more signal here. Elon could have built this from scratch. He has the capital, we know that. He has the talent. But what he didn't have was building a cutting-edge fab takes 3 to 5 years, minimum. Choosing Intel means one thing. Their infrastructure is already further along than people actually can envisage. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.